How would you like to close 5 additional real estate transactions every single month, all from referrals coming to you? That's right, real estate referrals are actually coming to you. And on top of that, you're going to have a group of real estate agents championing you all at the same time. Hey, it's Jaime with Resendiz.com, where we have one of the fastest growing and largest real estate agent communities worldwide. All right, so let's talk about real estate referrals because I want to share with you the exact system that we're using with our agents every single day. You're going to see the exact system that we've set up to bring in organic referrals. In other words, free referrals for you. So we're not even talking about running ads in order to get this business. And a quick note, I have noticed that 80% of this video right now are not subscribed. So if you can do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right down there, I'd appreciate it. All right, so what is a real estate referral? I want to make sure that we're all on the same page here. A real estate referral is when a real estate agent refers a client to another real estate agent who will then manage the client's real estate transaction, which in turn will allow that referring real estate agent the opportunity to receive a commission when the transaction closes as well. And the referral fee can range all across the board, so we're not going to cover that too much in detail right now. Just know that an average referral can be anywhere from 20 to 25%. All right, so now let's actually set up this referral system for you. It's called the referral pod. And this referral pod will only include real estate agents. You can do something similar with actual clients, with people that you've helped in the past, either buy a home or sell a home or your sphere of influence. But what we're going to use today is other real estate agents across the country. So you're going to select agents in other markets that typically refer business into your market. So for simplicity's sake, let's just look at Texas because 1, I'm very familiar with Texas. 2, we've already set up a referral pod. In fact, several referral pods in Texas. So it's going to be easiest to illustrate. Let's just say I'm a Fort Worth agent, which I am, and I want to create this referral pod in Texas. Well, I'm going to look at major cities within Texas and get an agent from those markets. So I'm going to look at Dallas, I'm going to look at Houston, I'm going to look at San Antonio, Austin, Lubbock, El Paso, McAllen, and possibly 2 other cities that make sense. And once I have those cities selected, now I need to find a referring agent in each one of those cities. I'm going to look up agents in those markets and see which ones I actually want to work with. And once I have an agent in each one of those markets, I'm going to create a Facebook Messenger group or a Meta Messenger group, which is going to allow me to communicate with everyone on the referral pod instantly. So step 1, identify the cities. Step 2, identify the agents that you're going to work with. And step 3, establish that communication tool. In this case, it's Facebook Messenger group. And step number 4, we need to get into as many Facebook groups that are sending out referrals. There are a ton of real estate referral groups out there, so you're not going to have a problem. Now, here's something super important. Every single one of the agents that's within your referral pod has to join these referral groups and turn on their notifications, because how y'all actually make money is by you paying attention. Y'all need to be notified every time there's a referral in the city that you are working in, which is step number 5. As soon as a referral goes out to a city that one of your referral partners is practicing in, you have to comment. You have to tag that agent that is working that area. And as soon as you do that, you need to copy the link of that post and drop it in your Facebook Messenger group. And everybody else has to go to that post and tag that other agent as well. So as an example, if there was a Fort Worth referral, then somebody in the pod would need to tag me because I work Fort Worth. And that agent would then copy that post link and drop it on the Messenger group thread, which is going to allow all the other referral partners to go to that particular post and also tag me as well. The power is in the numbers. The more agents that you can get to tag you into that post, the higher likelihood that you'll actually get that referral, because you absolutely need to stand out. Some of these posts get a ton of engagement, a ton of comments, because the area that the referral is going to is very popular. So the more referral pods that you get up and running, the more business that you're going to generate every single month. And truly what you're going to find, if you do this long enough, you're going to find that agents, even outside of your pod, are actually going to start championing you because they see your name come up over and over and over again. So this really creates a new life of its own. You just have to start.